full-blunt cows work. Ranching is living and living is ranching. Today we're going to be making some homemade hand sanitizer, so let's get started. Today I have my brother Kale here to help me on this special job. Now let's go over the materials that you'll need to do this job. This right here is the most important item that you'll need. 80% alcohol, antiseptic. Right now we're going through a pandemic, so it's almost impossible to find this stuff. This alcohol came from a local distillery, so just check around and see if there's any in your area. Moving right along, you'll need some aloe gel, some fragrance oil, a mixing bowl, 2 measuring cups, and a mixer, and something to stir with, and some sort of bottle to put your hand sanitizer in. Now it's time to get down to business. The most important piece of this puzzle is your ratio. You want to make sure that you have a 2-to-1 ratio of alcohol to aloe gel. For today's batch, I'm going to have Kale scoop up 1 cup of aloe gel and 2 cups of alcohol. Now while you're scooping, when you get done scooping the aloe gel, you're going to want to take the excess off and scoop it off with something to get all the other off so you can have a full 1 cup. And then you want to get almost all of the aloe gel out of the cup. And then you're going to take the alcohol and make 2 cups of alcohol. And you want to make sure you get the measurement right. Now we're going to add some fragrance oil. Now you can make it as strong as you want to, but I'm going to add half a cap. Now it's time to start mixing. Now me and Kel are going to do some tag teaming. I'm going to pour the alcohol while he mixes it. Just add your alcohol nice and slow. And you're going to want to put your mixture on medium. Now you're just going to mix that till it gets really blended in good. If it's starting to stick to the bowl, you're going to want to take this and just start kind of mixing it around with it and make sure the aloe gel gets in there real good. Once it's all blended together, now it's ready to pour in your bottles. Now it's completely normal if your hand sanitizer is real watery. That's just how it's going to be because we ain't professionals. You might want to get some kind of pitcher to help you pour it into your containers. Now you don't want to spill it when you're pouring it in there because that's a pretty big mess right there. Now we're ready to fill our containers. Now we're going to hold it over the bowl so if we spill any, we won't lose it. Now you want to do this very easily, and you want to fill it. You don't want to fill it too full because then it's going to be, when you put the cap on, it's going to overflow. Now we're ready for the final step. It's screwing the lids on. In this batch, we had enough to make 2 8-ounce bottles and 2 1-ounce bottles. I hope you enjoyed this video on making homemade hand sanitizer. Now remember, I'm not no professional. I'm just trying to do my part and help y'all stay safe out there. I'd like to thank my brother here, Kale, for helping me today. And as always, thanks for stopping by at Bo Tackett's Cowboy Bunkhouse, where ranching is living and living is ranching. I'll see you in the next video.